No, it's been, I don't know, a couple days since I did a cooking video. No, I did one. No, I didn't do a long one. I did a little brief one yesterday for the Beyond Meat. Was it yesterday? No, it was the day before. I don't know. Anyways, it's Friday and it's hot. And I am not in the mood for salad or protein. So it's going to be pancake night. And I just don't feel like cooking. And it's 90 out. And it's hot, as I said, and it's humid. So this is going to be an easy, simple dinner. One cup of mix. Okay, two and 2/3 water. Hopefully this is, yep, okay. And I'm tired from doing deliveries earlier and from streaming. Played Assassin's Creed for a little while. So, it's going to be a simple, quick dinner. I should have got the whisk out. Oops. Well, this will work too. Told you I'm tired. Clean this out a little bit because it's got some stuff in it. Now I'm just gonna pour this back in here because it makes it easier to put the batter in the pan. Somebody's watching me. I have a watcher. Hang on a minute. I have to answer some questions, but she's just gonna have to chill out for a minute. Get my pan hot anyways. Alrighty, y'all, I'm back. Answered questions. Took care of a couple things. So I'll pour a little bit of this in here. And a little bit over here. And over here, and over there. Well, a little more here. Some blueberries in here, because I want blueberry pancakes. The little bit of blueberries that Walmart put in their pancakes is not enough. Oh, that one's hot. And I have to find my flipper. Here it is. So, I'll bring in, and I got 4 blueberries pancakes cooking. Flip them in a minute. And I'll be back when I get those done. Alright, round 2. And finish up the batter here. And I need a couple more pancakes for me, so. I I splattered myself. And again with the blueberries. Oh, that's hot. And I will be back when those are cooked. So pancakes are done, and like I said, well, in my other half of the video that you're not going to see unless you go to YouTube, it's too hot for anything else, so I'm doing blueberry pancakes for the night.